Hi viewers, in last video we seen the how to plot this in semi-log graph, the Bode plot magnitude values as well as the phase angle values. So I think you well understood. See, again I want to give some revision and again I want to explain the phase margin and gain margin, how to calculate from this semi-log graph. See, omega values I took on the x-axis, on the y-axis I took gain in dB, and as well as here I took the phase angle in degrees. So this 0.5 omega on x-axis, for corresponding 0.5 I plotted this 3.5 dB, and for corresponding 5 is here. So for this 5 value I plotted minus 16.5, and for 10 corresponding 10 I plotted minus 16.5, and corresponding 20 I plotted minus 28.5 dB. So I joined with a free scale, and as well as for this phase angle. Phase angle also same. For 0.5 it is minus 88 degrees. So the angles I took here for convenience, I already told. Instead of taking here I took here, that's all. So minus 88 degrees. So where is 88 degrees coming? I joined here for 0.5, and for 1 I took minus 88 degrees. And for 5 I took minus 92 degrees, and for 10 it is minus 116, minus 116, so on, and with free hand I joined all this. So this is a phase plot and this is a magnitude plot, and don't forget to mention the scale here. Okay, for dB, gain in dB on y-axis as well as angle on the y-axis. Omega lies on the x-axis. In Bode plot, we are going to draw separately the magnitude plot as well as the phase plot. Okay. From this graph, how to calculate the phase margin and gain margin. See, from 0 dB, you draw one line. This line touches this magnitude plot. Here it touched. So here, from here, you draw a straight line. You draw a straight line here. Okay. So this is nothing but gain crossover frequency. Remember, magnitude plot we are drawing for gain. So gain crossover frequency. This is phase. From 0 dB you draw one straight line which touches the magnitude plot, and you draw straightly the line where that value is, that line, and mark that value as gain crossover frequency. And this magnitude line, it touches the phase plot at one point. So at this point, check what is the angle. Okay. So now this angle becomes the phi GC. This angle becomes, what is that angle now? So here it is touching. So obviously we are getting minus 88 degrees. So this is the phase crossover frequency, phi GC. Okay. So gain crossover frequency as well as phi GC. Phi GC means where this magnitude line touches the phase plot. And again, so how to calculate the phase margin? Phase margin gamma, it is given by 180 degrees plus phi GC. 180 degrees plus phi GC, and this value it is phi GC. So 180 degrees, what is phi GC here? Minus 88 degrees. Check the corresponding value, it is minus 88 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 88 degrees. So obviously you are going to get the value as 92 degrees. You are going to get 92 degrees as the gamma value, which is phase margin. Which is the phase margin. Okay. So this is the calculation of phase margin. And observe here, what is gain margin here? Gain margin. So how to calculate gain margin? In this graph which we took, actually we should draw a line from 180 degrees which should touch this phase plot. But in this graph, for 180 degrees, this graph is not touching. So here we say the gain margin as infinity. We say gain margin as infinity. But actually how to calculate the gain margin means, see with some example I will explain. I took the graph here as an example. This is a magnitude plot. This is a phase plot. So to calculate 0 dB line, this will touch the phase plot at one point, and corresponding angle you should take. Okay. So this line, it becomes gain crossover frequency, and this angle, it is phi GC. Okay. So next, this is gain margin. This is a gain. This is a phase. 0 dB and this. And again from 180 degrees you draw a line. That should touch here. Okay. So that will touch the phase plot, and you extend it up to here. Okay. So it will touch the magnitude plot here. See, this and this value. It gives the phase margin. And here this value and this value. It is going to give the gain margin. I think so. Phase margin, it is nothing but whatever the value it touches here. This is the phase margin and this is the gain margin. And you know phase margin formula, gamma is equals to 180 degrees plus phi g. Thank you.